Said 14 to 321, right? Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Shit, I got you, I got you, I got you. Shit, shit. You good? I got you, I got you, I got you. Oh. So just sit down, bro. Just sit down. You're good, you're good. Just sit down, dude. I got the bike. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Hold that for a second.
Yeah, it's in gear. I don't think it's gonna get out of gear, and there's no clutch, so it's probably gonna have to see if we can push it up. Yeah, it's not gonna be, the clutches ain't able to gauge.
Burns, everybody. Man, you alright? Yeah, the gravel where I hit it. Yeah, well, this happened all the time.
That's it.
And I wasn't, you see, the thing was, I wasn't even going that fast. Oh, I know, I heard you was coming.
Alright. Let me see.
And you got a kick on it?
You got a kick on it, but it probably will roll. See if it'll stand. We just.
That's what I'm saying. Get that rock over there.
Okay. Hold up. Try.
They probably that square one you can get out there.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another RET MOTO vlog. Today we are in the Ozarks here in Arkansas. My buddy had just got into an accident, and damn, it is beautiful out here. And I hit some gravel, went off the road a little bit, hit a mailbox, and right now they're towing his bike. He has a Ducati Monster, and they're towing his bike back to the Airbnb that we got here in Arkansas, man. I feel pretty bad. You know, we just got here the other day, and I don't know, you know, you just feel bad when a buddy goes down, dude. You know, if you don't feel bad, so you know, something's wrong with you, man. I don't want to be riding with you, you know, if you don't have a little bit of remorse, because it could have happened to anybody. It definitely could have happened to anybody. And so I'm trying to catch up to this tow truck. Well, I'm not really trying to catch up. I'm gonna catch up to it, because it's not like it's hitting this thing pretty fast. But I'm also not trying to go crazy on these turns, because of the fact that I'm by myself, and ain't nobody gonna find me in those ditches if something happened to me. But I just wanted to talk about what happens if you wreck, or if you get into an accident. And I know a lot of people may feel like they don't want to get on a bike again or anything like that, and I really can't say much, because you know, I haven't experienced the same things that people experience. I dropped my bike one time, and it sucked, but and it was embarrassing. but you know, I can't say like what my buddy's feeling, you know, right now, especially since I want to say this is his second accident on the same bike. Right now I'm just kind of taking a cruise and enjoying, you know, the rest of the ride. I got a key for the Airbnb. I forgot to give it to him. Joan and Eric, the other two guys we're riding with, are gonna go ahead and ride Push Mountain, so I'm excited for those guys. You know, maybe next time I come out here, or maybe at another time I'll be able to ride Push Mountain. But for now, man, it really didn't matter if I ride it, because these are just some crazy roads out here in Arkansas, man. If you live nearby, if you live in Texas, in the North Texas area, it's about six hours away. And it's amazing out here, man. You know, I preach all the time, you know, ride within your limits, and you know, everything's a risk, right? It really doesn't matter if you're a really good rider or a new rider, but you risk doing turns that you don't know at whatever speed you decide to do it in. And shit happens, you know. I don't think my buddy did anything wrong, honestly. I think he had, you know, from what he's saying, he made a downshift, and which kind of jetted him a little bit, and kind of probably spun the rear wheel a little bit more than it needs to be on that area. And he called it out too. He called out on the Senate that there was gravel. He called it out to me, and then he ended up going off and hitting a mailbox. The guys over here, the house that we that he took it down at, the owner of the house, man, he came out, brought us water. He asked us if we needed any help. You know, he brought us, he said park our bikes in the shade. He even went to go grocery shopping, and he left his door open and said, if you guys want to sit down and watch TV, you know, it's open to you. He's like, yeah, y'all ain't gonna, I'm a hillbilly, y'all ain't gonna want anything in that house. A really cool, awesome guy, man. I really appreciate it. I forgot his name, but man, he's a really cool dude. Again, you know, like, I can't tell y'all how to feel after you got into an accident, but you know, it happens to the best of us, y'all. So if you do get into an accident, or you know, you drop your bike or something like that, you know, pick it back up, get yourself straightened out, get yourself checked out, and you know, move on. Just learn from it. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. We're gonna come out here more often, y'all. Summer's not over. So we are definitely gonna come out here more often, and ride some of these twisties, right? I'm gonna go ahead and say thanks for watching, and again, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you like what you see. And maybe I'll throw some music over the rest of this ride until my battery dies. And I'll see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.